Hello everyone. Today we will discuss our previous chapter, that is real number. We will discuss here example 4. Example 4. A sweet seller has 420 kaju barfis and 130 badam barfis. She wants to stack them in such a way that each stack has the same number, and they take up least area of the tray. What is the number of that can be placed in such state for this purpose? अब यहाँ पर बात हो रही है कि एक स्वीट सेलर है आपका, उसके पास 420 काजू बर्फीज हैं, 320 बादाम बर्फीज हैं, 130 बादाम बर्फी. शी वॉन्ट्स टू स्टैक, और वो स्टैक करना चाहती है, इस ऑर्डर में करना चाहती है कि हर स्टेक में जो बर्फीज हों वो इक्वल नंबर में, राइट? सो व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ दैट कैन बी प्लेस्ड इन ईच स्टैक ऑफ दिस पर्पस. कितनी बर्फी हर एक स्टेक में होगी ये आपको बताना है. स्टेक का मतलब होता है ट्रे. जैसे बर्फी नहीं लगाते ट्रे में, आपने देखी होगी जब मिठाई वाले के यहाँ जाते हैं तो वो क्या करता है, बर्फीज को एक स्टेक में लगाकर रखता है. तो कितनी स्टेक इन दोनों के लिए, काजू बर्फी के लिए और बादाम बर्फी के लिए हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे. तो यहाँ पर क्या निकालना है, नंबर ऑफ दैट. कितनी से ज्यादा कितने ढेर लग सकते हैं. इट मींस हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर, सेम नंबर. ठीक है, तो यू विल हैव टू कैलकुलेट हियर एचसीएफ. ओके, सो व्हाट यू विल राइट, maximum number of stack solution, maximum number of stack is equal to HCF 420 काजू बर्फी and 130 बादाम बर्फी. Okay, you know 420 is greater than 130. How much you will get? 30. This will come to this side. 4 times 20 and this will go to this side. 10 3 is a 30. You get the remainder 0 here. So according to EDL or EDA, you know very well. Okay. In step 1, A is the dividend in step 1 and 130 is divisor, and 3 is quotient and remainder is 30, which is not equal to 0. In step 2, 130 is dividend, 30 is divisor, 4 is quotient and the remainder is 10, which is not equal to 0. In step 3, 30 is dividend, 10 is divisor, 3 is quotient and the remainder is now become 0. At this stage, divisor is 10. Hence, maximum number of stack is 10 for both the burpees. Now come to the question of exercise 1.1, that is question number 3. It is based on this example. Okay, so we will read it. An army contingent of 616 members. Contingent means, army contingent means होता है group of people, राइट? कितने हैं, 616 मेंबर उस ग्रुप में हैं. इज टू परेड मार्च बिहाइंड एन आर्मी बैंड ऑफ 32 मेंबर्स. इन एक परेड में 32 मेंबर्स को मार्च करना है. द टू ग्रुप्स आर टू मार्च इन द सेम नंबर, अगेन इन द सेम नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स. जो भी ग्रुप होंगे, 2 ग्रुप आपके होंगे, हर एक कॉलम में, हर एक जो ग्रुप होगा उनमें जो कॉलम होंगे वो सेम नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स होंगे. सो व्हाट इज द number of columns in which they can march. ऐसे कितने कॉलम बनेंगे मार्च करने के लिए, जो आपको बताना है। आपके पास कितने मेंबर हैं आर्मी में? 616 मेंबर है, और हर एक बैंड में 32 मेंबर्स को मार्च करना होगा, ठीक है। और ये बताना है आपको कितने कॉलम बनेंगे ऐसे अगर हम इन मेंबर्स को क्या करें, डिवाइड करें तो। सो अगेन सिमिलरली मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कॉलम is equal to SCF. किसका SCF? 616 and 32. Okay, so now calculate the SCF. 616 member. One time, what you will get here? 9, 2, 6. Okay, how much time you will read the table? How much time? I think this will go to 8 times or 9 times. You can calculate. 9 times this can do. 9 2s are 18. 1 9 3s are 27 or 1 20. What you will get? 8. Okay. So this will come to this side. You know, this is the divisor at this stage. Okay, so according to EDA क्या होता है? A equals to BQ plus R. So tell me, what is divisor and what is dividend? 16. Divisor 32 and the quotient is 19 and remainder is 8. Okay, this is multiple. In step 2, what is dividend, what is divisor? 8 and quotient is 4 and that is 0. So at this stage divisor is 8, right? Divisor is 8, hence maximum number of columns is 8. Okay guys, so all of you, this is clear. So we will move to next. Okay, now we will move to next question of the exercise 1.1, question number 4. Use EDL, English division lemma, to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m plus 1 for some integer m. It means you will have to show the square of positive integer. जो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर के स्क्वायर होते हैं वो इस फॉर्म के होते हैं या नहीं होते हैं, यू विल हैव टू शो. So first of all you will let x be any positive integer is of the form 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2 for some integer n. Again let n be the positive numbers, n be the positive numbers. So according to EDL, equal division lemma, when, as you know, n equals to 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2, when in step 1 n equals to 3q, here in question you will have to show the square. Square term is very important here, so you will have to do square on both the sides, n square, and this will become 3q whole square. Square of 3 is 9 and form of m. So how you will take common? You will take common 3 because you need 3 here. And rest of 3 square. You will let where 3q square is equals to m. So you will get 3m here like this. Okay, we will move further. When n equals to 3q plus 1, again you will square on both the sides. You will get, this is the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Identity. A square 2ab. What you will take common? Again 3. You need 3. 6 3 to the 6 and 1 is 8. This is m. So you will get 3m plus 1 like this. When n equals to 3q plus 2, again you will do squaring. A plus b का whole square. A square plus 2ab. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and b square. Again take 3 common. 3q square. 3 4s are 12, and 3 1s are 3. But to make 4, you need 1 also. So add 1. This is m. So you will get 3m plus 1. Hence, you can say, hence, square of any positive integer is of the form 3m plus 1. This is the solution of question number 4 of exercise 1.1. Clear everyone? We will move to question number 5. So, this is question number 5. Use ideal to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. Here you will have to do cubing. Okay, so first of all, let x be any positive integer then it is of the form 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2 for some integer m. As we have did in question number 4 before. Okay, now again let n be the positive number. So you can write n equals to 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. According to EDL, Euclid's division lemma, here when n equals to 3q, you will have to do cube. Here you will have to do cube. So cubing on both the sides. What is the cube of 3? That is 27. What you will need it? 9 in the form of 9. So you will take 9 common. Okay, this is m. You get 9m. Okay, move to second step. When n equals to 3q plus 1. Again cubing on both sides. This is the form of a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. This is like this. Okay. Q square 9. Arrange in order. What you will need? 9m plus 1. So you will have to take common 9. 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. 9 1s are 9. You can't take common in 1. So this is m, and you can write it as 9m plus 1. Got it? Okay. When 3q plus, again you will have to do q. A cube, B cube, 3ab bracket a plus b. Okay guys, is that clear all of you? Now move further. 3 cube, it means this is 27. 2 cube, it means this is 8. 3 3 is a 9, 9 2 is a 18 cube in bracket 3 cube plus 2. Okay, move. 18 3 is a 54 q square, 18 2 is a 36 cube. Arrange again. What you will take common? 9, because you needed 9. 9 3s are 27, 9 6 are 54, 9 4s are 36. You can't take common in 8. This is m. So, got it? 9m plus 8. Hence, cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Thank you guys. Do practice again and again. Okay? Make sure thank you.